What's the meaning of AW? AW. AW.
Ah. Ah. Ah is an interjection used to express various emotions such as disappointment, sympathy, or affection. It is often used in response to a situation that elicits feelings of tenderness or sadness. The most common usage of ah is to express a feeling of cuteness, for example, when a person sees a baby animal or someone in a cute outfit. Ah is also used to console someone when things don't go as planned or to express admiration for someone's actions. Overall, ah is a versatile interjection that can be used in a variety of contexts to express emotions.